In the display you can see the speed, turn, servo left, servo right, and then the actual servos themselves moving. Speed will go back to 0 in a second, and you can see the turn, which is the direction. 128 is midpoint, and so the speed went to 0. Now it's counting up 40, 60, and when it gets to 128, that's the midpoint, and midpoint is 0. Now it's going past 0, which is forward speed. And so since the turn is centered, both servos are moving together. Now it'll go back to 0. Zero is full reverse for both servos. I've repositioned the pot. You can see the speed is going up to 255. The left servo is at 255. The right servo is counting up. Now the speed has gone to 0. And the left servo is, when it went to 0, the left servo positioned itself to halfway, 128. And now the right servo is at minimum. Now the speed just passed 128, which is 0. And the left servo is at maximum position. Now the right servo is moving up. So speed reset back to 0. So with the right servo is at full reverse, and the left servo is slowly going up to full forward. So that means we got a left-hand turn. And now the left servo is at full speed, and the right servo is moving up to 0, which is 128. I know it's confusing. So it's a full left turn. Left turn was at 0 when the speed was at 0, and now left motor is increasing in speed. Right motor is full reverse. And now we've just passed the 0 on the speed, which is 128. So the left motor is at full speed, and now the right motor is slowing down from reverse and going to 0. And now we just hit 0, full speed, and then back to 0. Now we've got the turn at 0, which is a full left turn. You can see the right motor is at full speed. Now the speed just went to 0, and so the right motor went to 0, and then the left motor went full reverse. Left motor is increasing from full reverse, increasing to 0. As soon as it gets to mid position, that'll be 0. So the right servo was at 0 position, 128. Now it's increasing to full speed forward, where the left servo is at full speed reverse. And now the left servo is going down from full reverse. As soon as it gets to the mid position, then it'll be 0, and then the right servo is at full speed forward.